Welcome to our channel. If you're struggling to afford medications, follow these step-by-step instructions to access prescription assistance programs. Step 1. Ask your doctor about medication samples. Pharmaceutical companies provide free samples to physicians, which can help bridge gaps until you find a more permanent solution. Step 2. Visit the drug manufacturer's website to find patient assistance programs. Most pharmaceutical companies offer free or low-cost medications to patients who meet income requirements. Step 3. Use NeedyMeds or RxAssist to search for assistance programs. These free databases help you find patient assistance programs, discount cards, and other resources for specific medications. Step 4. Apply for your state's prescription assistance program. Many states operate programs helping residents afford medications, with eligibility based on income and other factors. Step 5. Check if you qualify for extra help with Medicare Part D. This federal program assists people with limited income and resources in paying for prescription drug coverage. Step 6. Use prescription discount cards from GoodRx, Single Care, or Rx Saver. These free services can reduce medication costs by 80% or more at participating pharmacies. Step 7. Ask your doctor about generic alternatives or therapeutic substitutions. Generic medications cost significantly less than brand-name drugs while providing equivalent treatment. Step 8. Compare prices at different pharmacies, including mail order and online options. Medication costs vary dramatically between pharmacies, and shopping around can result in substantial savings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.